What if AI could talk exactly like you? Not just generic AI, but one trained on your personality. Every AI chatbot today sounds the same: polite, formal, robotic. It doesn't know your humor, your tone, your style. This open source project on GitHub just hit 16,500 stars. It's called WeClone, and it does something wild. It takes your real chat history, feeds it into a language model, and fine-tunes that model to sound exactly like you. Think about it. Every message you've sent is a data point. Your vocabulary, your jokes, how you reply when you're busy. That's your communication fingerprint. WeClone uses Qwen 2.5, a powerful 7 billion parameter model, fine-tuned with LoRA, meaning you don't need a supercomputer to run it. Step 1. Export your chat history from Telegram desktop as a JSON file. That's your raw training data. Step 2. WeClone automatically filters private information using Microsoft Presidio. Phone numbers, address, gone before training starts. Step 3. One command starts the training. WeClone handles dataset prep, fine-tuning, and everything in between. You need a decent GPU, but with LoRA, even 16 gigabytes of VRAM is enough to start. Training takes hours, not weeks. Step 4. Deploy your clone as a real chatbot. It connects to Telegram, Discord, Slack, WeChat, anywhere you already talk. Here's where it gets interesting. Generic AI says, "I apologize, I'm unable to assist." Your clone says exactly what you would say. Same words, same energy, and everything runs locally. Your chat data never goes to a server. No privacy risk. Full control. WeClone also handles images, so if you share photos in your chats, the model learns that context too. This is true multimodal cloning. Setup is straightforward. Clone the repo, create a virtual environment, run 4 commands. The docs walk you through every step. Developers can build a clone to handle FAQs. Creators can automate fan replies. Businesses can train customer service bots in their own brand voice. To be honest, the clone isn't perfect. It needs a large chat history to be accurate, and results vary by language and writing style. But 16,500 stars don't lie. This project went viral because it touches something real. Everyone wants AI that actually sounds like them. We're entering a new era. Your communication style, how you think, write, and respond, is now trainable data. WeClone is just the beginning. The full project is on GitHub, link in the description. It's open source, free, ready to run. If you found this useful, subscribe. Every week I break down the AI tools and repos actually worth your time. See you in the next one.